can't believe this is here. It's finally here. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and today, you all, we are doing a hot off of the press, or better yet, delivery truck. Hot off of the press. This is a brand new release. I know I have been highly anticipating this one. I know a lot of you all too, but you all, it is finally here. 2023 is the year of the new and the year of the flanker. That is for sure. And today we are going to be talking about the brand new release from the house of Montblanc. Yes, a lot of people know them for ink pens, and they do make fragrances. Yes. So if you all recall, back in 2020, they came out with a fragrance that was called Montblanc Signature, right? And this is a fragrance that was a little bit of a delay in its success because we all know what was going on in 2020. So then it blew up in 2021. I do have a dedicated review on the original Montblanc Signature. But since it did so well, Montblanc decided, you know what, we're going to give them a flanker. And guess what? They came out with Montblanc Signature Absolu. And yes, I have Absolu. It is here. And we're going to talk about it today. But before we do that, elves, you know what we must do first. Lipstick of the day today. I'm still mad about this one being discontinued, but I'm going to wear it anyway. This is MAC Up the Amp. It is a purpley color. Get into it. Goes with the smoky gray vibe that's going on today. Else, let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, I'll list it just in case you have this lipstick in your stash. Next up, we have fragrance of the day. It is very cloudy, very gloomy. I'm in the house, I'm chilling, and I wanted something to reflect that. So fragrance of the day is from the house of Valentino, and this is Donna Born and Roma Yellow Dream. Basically, the one that people really forget about and don't talk about. Is kind of an unsung hero, but you will be getting your own dedicated review sooner rather than later. Valentino's Donna Born and Roma Yellow Dream is your fragrance of the day. So now the business out of the way, let's talk about what you all came here for, and that is the new Montblanc Signature Absolu. You all, we are doing a true first impressions. Myself, I have not even smelled this yet. So we're gonna really get into it, we're gonna experience this together. This is not a dedicated review because I literally just got it. So I can't really talk about longevity, strength, and all that stuff yet. I gotta wear it a little bit, but we're gonna do a first impression. So check it out, fresh off of the delivery truck. Yes, I was able to order this from Nordstrom, and I'll link this below so you all can check it out for yourself. So they sent it right over. It took about 2 days to get it, so very happy about it. And most importantly, this is what you all care about. This is what it looks like. I like the packaging. It's very similar to the original version of Signature. That one was all gray and white, and this one is gold and white. So just in case you see it in stores, which I am seeing that it is in some Nordstroms, you will know which one you're looking at. And it has the Absolute across the front. I picked up the 50 ml size, the 1.7 fluent ounce size. They do have a 3.4 fluent ounce size. Personally, I'm like, that is 100 ml. That is too much juice for me. Y'all know I like 50 mls. But yes, I will compare the sizes so you all can see. But yes, let's unbox this together. And this is what it looks like. So the bottle shape is the same as the original Montblanc Signature, but it is clear and it has the yellow golden juice similar to, you know, its packaging. And for context, I do have the original Montblanc Signature. Check it out. This is the one that broke the internet. I do have a full dedicated review of this fragrance. I'll link it up top. It is still good. I still reach for it. Obviously, I did not declutter it, so you know I still like it. This is the 100 ml size of the bottle. I'm going to show you all in comparison what they look like. And yes, so same style bottle, just different sizes. Again, this is the 50 ml size, and then this is the 100 ml size. And I have not sprayed this, so we're about to experience this together, Els. So I have my trusty scent strips. All right, y'all. I'm gonna spray it, and then I'm gonna read the notes to see what it's supposed to give. So I don't want to be, you know, influenced. So let's do it. All right, first sprays. I hope this is good. Okay. This definitely has pear in it. There is a pear in here. This smells like fruity. This smells like something from the 90s. Oh, this has a very nostalgic smell to it. It's just fruity, but like childhood, but it still has a perfume DNA to it. Interesting. This is definitely a spring and summer scent. Okay. I'm definitely gonna have to play in this, but you all, this is heavy on the pear. So if you've been looking for a scent with a dominant pear note, this is your scent. Montblanc Signature Absolu. So now let's talk about prices and notes, because I know y'all want to know. So the good thing I will say about this fragrance in its first impression is that this is one of the few designers that hasn't gone completely crazy to me price wise. The 1.7 fluid ounce size, I was able to get it for $98. So yeah, it's actually under 100 for a change. Yay. So the 1.7 fluid ounce size is $98. The 3 ounce size is $124 for the 100 ml, which I think is still more so traditionally, you know, how designers are. So I'm cool with that. This definitely has, this has a perfumey vibe to it, but it still has a classic fruitiness. Oh my goodness. Interesting. So this fragrance, it technically opens up with rich fruity facets of mandarin and pear blending with pink pepper. Okay, so yes, I was right about the pear notes. So full thing we have bergamot, mandarin, some plum in here, white florals, honey, tonka beans, and musk. And you know what, since we're here, I gotta do it. Let me go ahead and spray the original Montblanc Signature, because I know somebody's going, okay, so but how does it smell like the original one? It's been a minute since I sprayed this one, so we're gonna revisit it. But I can tell y'all right now, these do not smell nothing alike. I can tell y'all that right now. So this is not one of those type of flankers where all they do is change one little thing and it's still basically 99.9% smells the same. Oh no, this is a totally different scent. Okay, original Montblanc Signature is still that creamy, creamsicle, vanilla vibe. It's a cloud, it's a vanilla bomb. This one wears more thicker because of that vanilla. Now let's talk about this Absolute in comparison. Yeah. This is definitely a summer scent, spring summer scent. At the time I'm filming this, it is 45 degrees outside, but that fruity, juicy pear in here is what is letting me know, yeah, this is gonna be great on a sundress day. I can't wait to play in this one. So far, I think it's cool. Am I saying, oh my God, I love it? No, I'm not saying that yet. This is definitely a scent that I'm going to have to play in and wear it before I really have my full opinion. But I'm glad I don't hate it, especially since this was a blind buy. This is interesting. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna have to revisit this one for sure, but you all, the new Montblanc Signature is definitely different for sure. It is not the same as the original Signature, that is for sure. Yeah, this is, wow. Okay, we're gonna have to play in this one some more, but definitely fruitier, definitely on that more summery vibe, but it still has a perfume note. Man, this takes me back to the 90s. I like this. So I think Elves, if you see it in the Nordstrom, because that's the only place I'm seeing it for sale right now. I know it'll probably be in other places, but for the longest, even the original Montblanc Signature was a Nordstrom exclusive. This is also currently the Absolute version, a Nordstrom exclusive. But right now, you all, I think this is good. I think this is going to be one of those fragrances you just throw on and think like, whatever, I'm just throwing something on. But I think it's gonna get a lot of compliments. I definitely see this having that mass appeal, especially because it's giving me 90s nostalgia with the fruitiness. I like this. It's giving like it grew up with me. And to be fair, I am a child of the 90s and I am obviously grown now. This is what this smells like. It smells like it grew up with me. So I like this. I like it. I'm not quite ready to say I love it yet, but you know, we'll talk about it in a full dedicated review. So Elves, let me know what you think about this new fragrance from Montblanc, which is Montblanc Signature Absolute. Very excited it finally released. I know I have been stalking the websites to see when it would be available, and then it just magically popped up one day. You all, Montblanc on its official website don't even have it up yet, so even they're taking their time dropping this one. But I think, y'all, this is gonna be it in hot weather. This is gonna do well right now. So if it's cold right now, I don't suggest smelling this scent unless you just really know your nose. But because if you smell it in cold weather, you're not gonna like this. But if you smell it when it's hot, I think you'll like it. So that is my first impression. on the Montblanc Signature Absolu, the newest release for 2023 from the House of Montblanc. Elves, let me know what you think in the comments below. But yeah, she cute. She look cute. I see it. I see it. So until next time, elves, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.